That is so beautiful. Wow, this new house is so beautiful. So many things. I like it.
First, let's play with paper. Hi, everyone! I have a blind bag for you, Tina. Okay, let me open it. Thank you. A pink bag. Let's make a pinky head for the headboard. First, cover this paper with pink clay. Cover the headboard. Then decorate its face. Use a black pen to decorate the last step. Use this small piece of clay to make a red bow for Pinky. Use this piece of clay to make a computer. Put them together to make a computer. Add its parts like me. I have a chair. Add it to the room. You're having trouble choosing. Yes. I have an idea. You pick a color. I choose this color. Then you open it. There's a bag selection paper in here. Here it is. Open it. yellow bed. I have a window. Add a sink. Let's make an orange cabinet. Cover it with orange clay and shape it like me. Cut off the excess. Be careful with scissors. Let's draw an orange. You just need to draw like me. Or you can draw according to your preference. Color it evenly. Use this orange to make Oren's head. Add parts on his face. And decorate it.
Music!
Wow! I'll draw you to a picture. Use this paper to draw a picture. Guys, you can draw it yourself. Or you can ask someone else to draw it. Let's make a beautiful picture.
This bed is so beautiful. I have to go to sleep.
You pick a color. I choose yellow. Have a sky head. Use this straw to make a faucet. Add a blue rug.
I like it.
I can help you with the staircase. Thank you. What color are you going to pick next? I will choose the blue one. Have a cabinet. Make a white-shaped cabinet. Decorate it to look like white. Wow! Stop! No fighting! This is White's, not yours! Thank you so much! There's one last cup. Thank you! Let me open it. I will will turn it into Red's head and make it.
Wow, this new house is so beautiful, so many things. I like it. Thank you for watching with me.